Hi family, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. Hello fam, today I'm going to show you how to make some quick candle holders that I will be using for my Mother's Day Tablescape challenge. If you would like to participate in that challenge, please go over to my video that says Mother's Day Challenge and write it down below, and there will be a drawing on May the 12th. Now the supplies you would need for this tutorial are: you would need 3 champagne glasses from the Dollar Tree, a mirror, I got that from Michael's, flowers from the Dollar Tree, tea light holders, ribbon. You can either use these tea light holders from the Dollar Tree or these candle holders from the Dollar Tree, okay? And diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm going to take my diamond wrap and I'm going to measure it right around the bottom of my champagne glass. Okay, then I'm going to cut out 2 rows. Then I'm going to glue it right to the edge of the glass. Now I'm going to tie some ribbon right in the middle of my champagne glass. Okay, now you can put a pink flower underneath your champagne glass, and you can use either this tea light or this, it could be a candle holder or a tea light. Or you can use the silver one. Hello fam, today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy candle holders. Now I will be using these candle holders for my Mother's Day tablescape. Now why did my mic